Hey guys, so we're gonna be picking one of these slimes out of these bags and fixing it up.
Let's pick it. We chose this Very Berry Crunch Slime. Let's take it out of the packaging. Okay, it's very, very sticky. Let's see what we can do with this.
We're gonna use some of this Elmer's Magic Liquid Activator to try and fix it. Mix in the activator and we'll see what happens.
Brianna's gonna work the activator in.
It's so sticky. Slime has definitely become a less sticky, but it still does have a little bit of stickiness to it. But overall, it turned out very well. Bye.